No, Floyd doesn't have any record of giving direction to anything. So we just take that as, slanderous remarks coming from a failed politician. But we wish him luck in what.
The African National Congress ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula has launched a blistering response to Floyd Shivambu, the ousted former Secretary General of the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, describing him as a man in the midst of a horrible political accident. Speaking on the sidelines of the National Union of the Mine Workers 2025 National Congress on Tuesday, Mbalula dismissed Shivambu's recent political tirade is nothing more than slanderous remarks from a failed politician. This comes after Shivambu, once the deputy president of the Economic Freedom Fighters, launched a scathing attack on both the African National Congress and the Economic Freedom Fighters at a press briefing last week in Midrand. There he branded the ANC as a directionless and accused the ruling party of colluding with the white system while describing the EFF as a cult. Mbalula was unmoved and said Floyd doesn't have any record of giving direction to anything. We just take that as the ramblings of someone who's clearly lost his political bearings, but we wish him luck with whatever it is he's trying to achieve. Drawing on metaphor, Mbalula described Shivambu's abrupt fall from a grace as a heavy collision. One he says may have left the former EFF leader mentally and politically disoriented, and that the ANC has a guiding document that is reviewed regularly, even in the context of the government of national unity. We don't operate like we're in a crash. Floyd is an accident, and it's a huge one. When you are in an accident like that, you either fix the car or deal with the damage, mental or otherwise. Mbalula also took a swipe at the speed of Shivambu's rise and fall within the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, noting the irony of his shift appointment to a senior role only to be removed months later, and said it's unheard of. You are in a party for less than a year, get elevated to the top, help write the constitution, and still get chucked out. That's the definition of a political crash. Shivambu, who defected from the Economic Freedom Fighters to join the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party in 2024, had nothing but praise for Umkhonto we Sizwe Party leader Jacob Zuma during last week's press conference, but he didn't hold back his contempt for his former political homes. Shivambu said a substantial number of people told me to never return to the ANC, and I fully agree. It is directionless and collaborating with the white system. As for the Economic Freedom Fighters, it's a cult. There's no room for ideological reasoning there. No self-respecting person can belong to either. Despite this, Shivambu's political future within the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party appears to be over. His name was left off the party's final list of the MPs to be sworn into parliament, despite early assurances that he would serve. His abrupt demotion followed an unauthorized trip to Malawi, where he met with controversial preacher Shepard Bushiri. The Umkhonto we Sizwe Party leader confirmed that the trip was not sanctioned, prompting his removal from the party's upper ranks. Still, Shivambu remains defiant and now is eyeing a new political path, and said we're not backing down. We'll begin consulting South Africans with the aim of forming a new political party. This won't be a personal or friends project. It must belong to the people. He added that his movement will engage young people via social media and grassroots initiatives across the country. The verbal crossfire between Mbalula and Shivambu underscores the deepening division in South Africa's political landscape as new alliances emerge in the wake of the 2024 general elections and the formation of Government of National Unity. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.